Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will move further and we will just take a look on Google AdSense. There are certain reasons. For example, if we are on this website and if we will just disable this ad block and unlock the I think we will just once. Okay, let's go to the certain page. On this page you will see that the Google will display certain ads. You can see this ad is here, and usually this ad will be from your destination. So for example, we are in Pakistan, so Google will show us the ads related to from the Pakistani companies. So here you can see Osaka is there and some other companies there. This is also from Google. This is also from Google ad. Okay, and then also they are displaying this much ad, and one more ad is here. Okay, which is also from Google, or maybe some other maybe industry other advertiser, and then you can see these are also the ads in between, and you can see that on one page they are displaying a lot of ads. Okay, and that ads are actually based on your location. So if I am in Pakistan, I will see these ads. So if someone will browse this website will earn a little money for just for impression on these ads. So now when we come to this page and we will just browse the article, even then we will this website will get a little money because impressions are counting. So impression means that we just see the ad, okay, in this manner, and we don't click on the ad. So if for example we click on this ad, let's click on this ad. Now on this click they will earn much more money, okay, as compared to just impressions. So impression is a simple thing that we are just viewing the ads, and if someone will click on this ad, then they will get more money. So it means that the ratio, the average on impressions, that how much clicks CPC or CTC, and according to that CPC, the Google will decide that how much money they will give to the advertisers. So it depends that, for example, if on this page this website has 1000 impressions and only one click, then they may get $1. And if they have 1000 impressions and 5 clicks, then they may earn $3 or $2. Okay, so it means that visitors are same, but if the visitors click on the ads, relevant ads, they will get more and more revenue. Okay, so this is in simple language. I just want to explain this thing. So now we will see that how our AdSense account will look like and how we can implement the ads into our website. That's it for this video. Goodbye.